Good morning, boys and girls. Today's Monday, May 18th, and here's our math lesson. All right, let's read it together. Here's our I can statement. Let's read it together. I can identify 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, and 1 less than a 2-digit number within 100. All right, boys and girls, what do we need to do to this I can statement? What do we need to do? We need to, say it with me, break it down. Say it, break it down. I can. Yes, you can. Identify. What do you think identify might mean? Look, see, or find. Yeah. Look, see, find. 10 more. And remember, when we do 10 more, we can count like this, right? We skip count by tens. And how do we draw tens now? Right, we draw quick tens, which are just straight lines down. So 10 more. So we're going to be adding or plus 10, and here's our quick 10. Quick 10. And 10 less. So then we'll also be doing minus 10. So when we have our quick 10, we're going to cross it off because our number is going to be getting smaller when we do less. 1 more as when we just draw our little 1 more. So plus 1 more. And then we're going to do and 1 less. So we're going to do 1 less. We're going to be minusing. So when we see that 1, we're going to exit out. Then a 2-digit number. What would a 2-digit number be? Right, a 2-digit number has to have a number in the tens house and the ones house. So an example of a 2-digit number could be 25, right? Because it has a number in the tens house and in the ones house. What's another example? Right, you could have 78. Right, because it has a number in the tens and the ones house. What is another number we could have? Right, we could have 65. What's another number? Right, we could have 99, right? Because there's a number in the tens house and the ones house. Can we have 100? No. That's a 3-digit number. We are only going to go up all the way to 99, and then we're going, done. All right, let's read this I can statement back together. Okay. I can. Yes, you can. Identify. When we identify, we look, see, find. 10 more. And we're going to draw quick tens. 10 less, so the number will get smaller. Minus 10. And we're drawing quick tens, which are just straight lines down. 1 more, and we're going to draw dots, little circles. And 1 less, and we're going to draw those little circles. We're going to exit out because the number is going to be getting smaller too. So we're going to be doing addition and subtraction today. I know, crazy. Then a 2-digit number within 100. So we are not going past 100. No. Not going past 100. All right, boys and girls. How do you feel about this? I know this is kind of a tricky lesson. There's a lot going on here. Miss Truly, I think I'm going to rock it. I'm confident. I am ready. Love it. In the middle, I'm a little nervous, and that's okay too. Thumbs down. Ooh, Miss Truly, this sounds super tricky. And you know what? We're going to work through this together. You've got it. All right, I'm going to erase my board. Please get out your whiteboard and your marker because guess what I've got? A math story. What do we do with a math story, boys and girls? What are the steps in a math story? Who knows? What do we need to do first? Right. First, we need to read the story. Then we need to draw the picture. Then we need to write the number sentence and the statement. Let's say it together. RDW. A read, draw, write. Beautiful job. Okay. All right, you have your whiteboard, you have your marker. We are about to get ready to go. All right, the first time I read the story, I want you to just listen. The second time I read the story, I want you to get that marker moving and grooving. All right, ready? Remember, we've been working with tape diagrams. I want a tape diagram picture. Okay, Kayla has 6 fewer goldfish than Tamara. Tamara has 14. How many goldfish does Kayla have? Okay. Now, get ready. Uncap that marker because you're about to get moving and grooving. All right. Kayla has 6 fewer goldfish than Tamara. Tamara has 14 goldfish. How many does Kayla have? All right, so our 2 tape diagrams would be Kayla starts with a K. Woo. Whoa, let me bring it over a little. Kayla starts with a K. Tamara starts with a T. So those are our 2 names for our tape diagrams. Okay, now we know Kayla has 6 fewer goldfish than Tamara. Tamara has 14. Tamara's whole is 14, right? Here's our whole. Tamara has 14. Kayla has 6 less. Kayla has 6 less than Tamara. So we know one of Tamara's parts is 6. And we want to find that mystery part so we know how many Kayla has. All right, we have a whole and a part. How could we solve this, boys and girls? Right, remember, for addition it goes part plus part equals whole. So we can have a mystery part number sentence, and I'm going to write it up here because I don't have room down there. I'm going to do 6 plus, right, a mystery number equals 14. All right, what are we going to do? Let's put 6 in our head and count up to 14. Ready? Go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers, boys and girls? 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So our mystery number is 8. So, how many goldfish does Kayla have? Right, so you would write Kayla, K-A-Y-L-A, has, how many? Kayla has 8 gold fish. Kayla has 8 gold fish. Great job, boys and girls. You are rocking these math stories. Rocking it. All right. Love it. We're okay. Erase your board. Okay. Okay. There we go. All right, boys and girls. Please get out your worksheet packet. It says Monday, May 18th on the top. Write your name, okay? We're going to do most of this together since it's a new topic. And, you know, it's sometimes tricky when we're doing a new topic, and especially tricky when you're at home and I'm at home. So I really want to work on most of this together. All right. All right. So it says, use the pictures to count more or less. All right. Let's look at our first one. Let's count these quick 10s together. So these are 10s. Go 10, 20, 30, 40. And we'll count these. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. And we'll write 46 on that line right underneath. All right. 46. And it says draw 10 more. So we're going to draw one more quick 10. Now, boys and girls, let's count our picture again. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. 56. Because we drew one more quick 10. 56. Nice job. Because plus 10, we're drawing one more quick 10. All right, let's go to the next picture. Let's count it together. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. We have 69. 69. Making sure I counted that right. 69. And it wants us to draw 10 more. So we need to draw how many more quick 10s? One more quick 10. We'll draw it here. All right, let's count them all up again. All right, let's count our quick 10s. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. 78, and we'll draw 78 on that line. Or we'll write it on that line. That was drawing 10 more. We had to draw another quick 10, right? We had to draw one more 10. Boys and girls, moving down. Now it is 10 less. 10 less. All right, so we have to first figure out how much our picture is, right? All right, let's count it together. Ready? Let me get a little closer here. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. So we have 66. Take away 10, and I'm going to cross out one of my quick 10s. Look. Let me cross off this one. Right? So now we are not going to count that one. So don't count that one, and we're moving on. Ready? Let's count how many we have now. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. 56. Nice job. Let's go to the next one. Okay, let's count it together. I'll bring it up nice and close. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51. So we'll write that on the line underneath it, 51. And it wants us to take away 10. Let 10 less. So we're going to cross out one of those quick 10s because we know quick 10s are worth 10. And now we'll count our picture. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 41. 41. So 10 less than 51 is 41. 41. Nice job. Moving on down. Now we're doing one more. All right, let's count our picture. Ready? Whoop. Let's count our picture. Go. Okay. I can't see it that well. I don't see it that well. Okay. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. 52, and we'll write it on the line. And we want to draw one more. And I'm going to draw a circle. I think it's easier. So now we have 52. One more than 52. So we have 52, 53. 53. Yes, 53. And we'll write that on the line. Nice job. All right, let's go to the next one. Let's count this one together. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62. 62. One more than 62 is, we're going to draw one more. What is one more than 62? 62, 63. Nice job. Beautiful job. Let's go on down to this next one. Let's count. How many are there in this picture? 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. 42. And it says it wants to do one less. So you're going to cross off one of those ones. I'm going to cross it off. So now let's count it. 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41. So 1 less than 42 is 41. Alrighty, this one is tricky, boys and girls. Look what we're doing here. Let's count how many. 10, 20, 30, 40, and we'll write it on the line, right? And it wants us to do 1 less, boys and girls. But, do you see ones here? No. We need to cross off one of those boxes. One of those little cubes. 1. Okay. This is tricky. Look, look, look. So then we go 10, 20, 30. And then we got to count all those little cubes. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Whee! So 1 less than 40 is 39. Awesome job, boys and girls. Loving it. All right, turn to the next page. And you have your rainbows. We'll do a few of these together as well. All right, it says, write the number that is 1 more than the number on the rainbow. Color the rainbow that has the largest number. All right, so we have 14. What is 1 more than 14? 14. So if you're counting, what comes after 14? 14, 15. Nice job. And we're all super counters in first grade. So you guys are going to rock it. All right, let's go to the next rainbow. It has 26. 1 more than 26. So if we're counting, let's say we're at 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 27 comes after 26. 27. Nice job. All right, looking at our next rainbow, we have 74. 1 more than 74 is what? I know, that's kind of tricky, right? But boys and girls, you know, what is 1 more than 4? If you have 4, 1 more than 4 is 5. So we're really only looking at that ones house. So it's 75. Keep that 7 and the 5. All right, next one, 37. 1 more than 37. What's 1 more than 7, boys and girls? 1 more than 7 is 8, right? And then we just leave the tens house alone. We're not touching that 10 at all. So it is 38. All right, I'm going to do 1 more with you on this page. 1 more than 45. 1 more than 5 we know is 6. Leave the tens house all alone, so we know it is 46. And I'm going to leave the rest of those for you to do on that page. All right, turn to the next page. We have find 1 less. So our number is going to get 1 smaller. It's going to get 1 smaller. It's going to get 1 smaller. So boys and girls, we really only need to look at the ones house for 1 less minus 1. All right, let's start at the first one. We have 57. Tricky number, I know, big number. But we only need to focus on that number in the ones house, 57. 7 is in the ones house. 1 less than 7 is, so if we have 7, 1 less than 7 is 6. So it is 56. Nice job. Go to the next one, 18. So if we want to know 1 less than 18, we really only need to focus on that ones house. If we have 8, boys and girls, 1 less than 8 is 7. So we're only working at that ones house. So we know we keep the number that's in the tens. The number that's in the tens is 1, right? So 1 less than 18 is 17. Nice job. All right, going to the next one, we have 85. Whee! 85. Okay. We want 1 less than 85. Let's think of our ones house. We're focusing on 1 less, so we need to look at our ones house. 85, right? Because 5 is in the ones house. 1 less than 5 is 4. So the number is 84. Nice job. Beautiful job. All right, let's do another one. The next one is 67. 67. What number is in the ones house? 67. 7 is in the ones house. So 1 less than 7 is 6. So our number is 66. Beautiful job. All right, let's do 1 more together on this page. Alrighty, let's do this one. Ooh, tricky one. 98. Wait, 98. If you're looking at that number, 98, what number is in the ones house? 8. Okay? 1 less than 8 is 7. So we have 97. And you'll fill that right in. 97. Beautiful job. I'm going to leave the rest for you to do. All right, turn the next page to the next page. It's find 10 more. 10 more. So we're going to be now focusing on the number in the tens house. All right, it says write the number that is 10 more than the number on the rainbow. Color the rainbow that's the largest number. All right, so if we have 35. 35. We're looking at that tens house, boys and girls. 35. 10 more than 35 is, so if we're skip counting, we go 10, 20, 30, 40, right? And we're going to, then the number in the ones house stays. So it's going to be 45. So if you have 35, so you have 10, 20, 30. What's 10 more than that? 40. And then you bring your ones. So it is 45. All right, let's look at our next one. 46. 46. Okay, let's do it together. Let's make 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10 more is 50. So it is 56. 56. Nice job. Moving on down. 57. All right, let's make 57. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You need 10 more than 50 is 60. So it is 67 because we just bring those ones over. We don't touch the ones at all. We're dealing with tens right now. Beautiful job. Next one, 15. So that's only 10, right? There's a 1. So we have 10, 20. So it's going to be 25. All right, let's do one more together. We have 61. Let's make 60 together. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. What comes? 60. What comes after 60? 70. So it is 71. Nice job. All right, let's turn to the last page. It's find 10 less. So the number is going to get 10 smaller. Alrighty, it says write the number that is 10 less than the number on the rainbow. Color the rainbow that is the smallest number. Okay, so we have 74. 74. I want us to focus on that number in the tens house. The number in the tens house is a 7. So we want to do 10 less than that. So if we're counting, if we're skip counting, if we go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. But what came right before 70? I'll do it again. What comes right before 70? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Right, 60. This is the trickiest one. 60. So it is 64. That's one way you could do it. Another way you can do it, boys and girls. You have, the next one is 46. 10 less than 46. If we're looking at our tens house, we have 46. I'm going to draw my quick tens right here. We have 10, 20, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there's my 46. I am going to cross off one of my tens. Then I'm going to recount them. And I have how many? 10, 20, 30, and my ones have stayed the same. 36. That's another way you could do it. You could also look at your tens house. We have, what number is the next one? 86. 86. What number is in the tens house? 8, right? And that's worth 10. That's 8 tens, which makes it 80. So if we have 8 tens, pretend these are tens, so we would go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Let's take one of them down. So now we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So we would have 76. Nice job. All right, let's go to the next one. We have 35. 10 less than 35 is what? Let's draw 35. I think that's a great way to do it. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 10 less, we're going to cross off one of them. And now we have how many? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Great job. All right, let's do one more together. All right, we have 98. Let's look at that number in the tens house. It's a 9. I'm going to pretend we have 9. 90 right here. I'm going to take away a 10. What are we left with? 8 tens. And 8 tens, 8 10 is 80. So it's going to be 88. All right, and I'm going to leave the rest for you to do. All right. I know this can be kind of tricky, boys and girls, but don't worry. We're going to keep working on this together. You are going to rock it. This is just our first day doing this. All right, boys and girls, I miss you so much. Keep up the great work. Remember, you can always rewatch the video. You can call me. You can text me. Please let me know if you're having a hard time. Alrighty, I miss you so much. I'm so proud of you. Remember, wash your hands. All right, love you. Bye.